Hey guys, for this video, I'll teach you how to post full screen TikTok videos. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to post better quality and high-res videos. So let's get started. The first step is opening TikTok. And now you're gonna want to tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. So just either upload a video or record. And now, tap on this icon at the very top and it'll take you here. You can edit your videos right here, but the point of this video is turning it to full screen. So all you have to do is tap on rotate and that's it. Just tap on save and then next. Just post the video, and once it's done posting, if you watch the video, you're gonna be able to view it in full screen. Simple as that. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.